Welcome back to Stir the Pot. Today I'm going to show you how to make a spinach dip. I know you guys are saying, spinach dip, I've been making it for years. Yes, I'm sure you have. This one has some additional ingredients in it that makes it special. So it's not going to be like the regular spinach dip that shows up at your parties and gatherings. Stick around with me and I'll show you what we do. Give us a thumbs up. The recipe for this will be down in the description and subscribe. Also, hit the notifications so that you get all of our videos when they're posted. Now, let's stir the pot. Okay, guys, we're going to start putting this together. We have 8 ounces of cream cheese here. This is the whipped, but you can by all means use the one that comes in the package, the harder. I don't know what you call it, but you know what I'm talking about. And we have 8 ounces of sour cream. You can make this even lighter if you want to. This is a healthier version of the spinach dip, but you can make it even more healthier if you wanted to use low fat or fat free sour cream and cream cheese. Now, mayonnaise, use 1 cup of mayonnaise. We are using Duke's. Is there any other kind? Not for this Southern girl. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this together before I start putting in our veggies. The veggies is what makes this dip healthier. All of this stuff here, of course, you guys know this isn't real healthy, but it sure is yummy on a chip. If you did not use the whipped cream cheese, you would want it to be softened before you started mixing this up. Okay, so now we're going to put in, this is 1 packet of vegetable recipe mix for, use it for soups. Never made soup with it, but I've made spinach dip many a times with it. So when someone says or when you say you're bringing spinach dip, they're going to expect the plain old spinach dip that we've all been doing for years. This one is a little different, and for me, I think it's fresher. I like the crunch in it whenever you're eating it. Now we're going to put in 10 ounces of spinach. Now you want your spinach chopped up rather small. This wasn't chopped up as much as I wanted it, so I chopped it a little bit more. This is the frozen spinach. You will want to, of course, thaw it. You want it to be thawed, and you want all of the water wrung out of it. I put it in a sieve and used the back of a spoon, and that's the way I get the water out of mine. And then we're going to put our vegetables in. Now, the vegetables is what makes this dip different than what you have had in the past. We're using a 1/4 cup of celery, a 1/4 cup of red pepper, and you can tell how beautiful this is going to be for the holidays, and a 1/4 cup of red onion. And then you just mix it all together. This dip is one of those foods that you want to put in your refrigerator and let it marry. You want to make it at least 2 hours ahead of time, up to, you can make it actually up to 3 days ahead of the time that you want to serve it. This is all mixed up now. It's going to be so good. Can't wait to get a cracker on that. Or you could always use vegetables around it, which is going to make it even better. This is a sourdough loaf of bread. I just hollowed out the middle, kind of cut top off of it like you would a pumpkin maybe. And I'm just going to put the dip right inside here. And there's a little left over. So there it is. How beautiful is that? Okay, so the real test is when you taste it. No double dippers. It's delicious. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and it is delicious. The crunch and it's wonderful. Give it a try. Take it to your next party. Serve it with your family. New Year's. What else we have coming up? Super Bowl. This would make a fabulous appetizer for you, your family, and your friends. So please give us a thumbs up. Hit the notifications so that you get alerts whenever we put out new videos. The recipe for this will be down in the description. And by all means, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stir the pot.